Hello, this is Crowe doing my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. Been real busy yesterday and today. Of course, I'd kind of put my taxes aside and said, oh no, I got to get going on my taxes. I do my own taxes, but I do use computer software to do it. So it does all the calculations. I just have to get all the information collected together and put it in. But also the form that we were given on the Thursday night webinar, for that form, I had to go back and find a lot of things and compile it all together to get the information to put in there. Because I bought a lot of bulls and I bought a lot of babes, and I did it at a lot of different times. So I had to go back through all those receipts and compile all that information. And so it took a while, and then just getting everything calculated and put together. And then right at the bottom of that form, then it asks who's going to be my partner. I made the top 10 for Aisa's group, and I can have a partner to go with me. And I noticed the very last thing on that form, I guess I should have looked all the way through the form to the bottom first. And I was ready to submit it, except I didn't have a partner. Well, I kind of looked through, and I sent 4 people a message, and nobody responded back. And then it was getting close to time to do the Saturday webinar, and I go to find out, oh, because of Easter egg hunts and things like that, they're going to cancel today. So that's why no one was online. I noticed that everyone I sent the message to was not online at the time I sent it. And I thought, well, I thought they'd probably be online, but I didn't know that the Saturday webinar had been canceled. So anyway, I went ahead and submitted the form without a partner. But I noticed it said at the bottom you can edit it. So the first person that contacts me that would like to be my partner to get in Aisa's top 10 extra webinars, then just send me a message and let me know. I need your name, and I need the email that you have with the online business app. So the first person that sends that to me, I'll go back and edit that form and put you in as my partner, and you'll get to go through that training also. So I didn't really remember who all exactly was in there, or plus the 10 can pick 10 others. That makes 20 people. So anyway, first person responds. Looking forward to working with you. When I get it, I'll go back and edit that form, and then I'll put your name in. That way you'll get to go through that extra training. So I'll get this video finished and published, and I'll see you on another video. Thanks for watching.